Let's give it up for passing the GRACE Act.
By a unanimous vote, items titled the GRACE Act all passed in a special called Austin City Council meeting. The act says city funds will not be used to catalog and surveil abortions, and it also makes abortion investigations the lowest priority for APD.
We would rather put our resources into your aggravated assaults, your burglaries, your sexual assaults. That's what it means.
Councilman and attorney Chito Vela is the lead sponsor and brought the resolution forward shortly after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. Texas's trigger law makes abortion illegal, and it trumps the city of Austin's rules. But Vela says he's not trying to fight the state on this right now. If a woman in Austin were to, in one way, shape, or form, find an abortion, what happens? Does she get prosecuted? Does the doctor get prosecuted? What happens?
So those are very good questions. I think the Texas law makes it relatively clear that the person performing the abortion, the doctor or whoever is playing that role, can be prosecuted. We're not legalizing abortion here in Austin. We cannot do that. We are simply, as a city, saying, what do Austin taxpayers want to do with their money?
Supporters say the GOP does not have a track record of truly being pro-life.
They come out and say that we're going to take care of these children. We know they're lying about that. I've been here. I'm 72 years old, and I've seen what has happened here in the state of Texas. They don't even give a about you.
Before the vote, several pro-life advocates spoke, expressing their opposition to the GRACE Act.
Money could better be spent on giving to pregnancy resource centers that could actually help women who are in need.
House Bill 1280 completely protects unborn children from the tragedy of abortion. We think that the priority should be to promote alternatives to abortion, not to deprioritize protecting women from illegal abortion providers.
Other items in the GRACE Act include directing the city manager to make recommendations supporting reproductive health benefits for city workers and to look into a possible long-term public education program on birth control options, and that includes vasectomies.